Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore redirect rules in Netlify redirects configuration, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore redirect rules in your Netlify configuration, begin by logging into your Netlify account. Select the site for which you want to restore redirect rules. Navigate to the Settings tab in the site's dashboard. In the Settings menu, look for the Redirects section. This area typically displays your existing redirect rules. If you notice any missing or incorrect rules, locate the most recent copy of your _redirects file. You may have a backup or access it through version control systems like Git. If using Git, check the commit history for the last version of your _redirects file. Once found, open the file in your code editor. Review each redirect rule carefully to ensure it aligns with your intended configuration. Now, return to your Netlify dashboard. In the Redirects section, you will see an option to add or edit rules. Use this interface to input your restored redirect rules. Copy and paste the rules directly from your _redirects file. Make sure each redirect line is formatted correctly using the required syntax. Once you have entered all desired rules, scroll down and click the Save button. Netlify will process your changes, which may take a few moments. After saving, test your redirects to ensure they are working as expected. You can do this by visiting the respective URLs in your web browser. If necessary, adjust any additional rules or configurations. Finally, monitor your site for any issues related to the newly restored redirect rules. Congratulations, your redirect rules are now successfully restored in your Netlify configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.